I'm Lijitimate, you're watching Pree Dis, and it's now time for the talent on the rise. So let's meet this week's artist, and he goes by the name Trekar.
Them no know my pain, them no know my struggles, them no know the nights when my partner bubble. No true, you see my smiling, that no mean I'm happy.
Trekar, upcoming artist that people around the world can expect greatness from. My music, powerful, energy, motivating to the younger generation coming up. My real name is Trekar, and my artist name is also Trekar. How this name come about? My dad name is Trevor, and my mom name is Karen. So they use the first 3 letters of their both name and get the name Trekar. See, I started in high school attending Wilmer's Boys High School, you understand? During lunchtime, me and my friends used to sit in the canteen, beat decks. Until one day one of my friends them said to me, Trekar, chant something, man. And from there, everybody keep on saying, Trekar, you know that you should be an upcoming artist, or you should pursue music as your career. And I'm like, nah, I booked the thing there. Well, from there, I developed a passion for music. Every day going to school writing songs during lunchtime. I realized, you know, so I could have been the next Sean Paul or Win Marshall or used to go Wilmers. You understand? And from there, I just decided, say, after high school, music straight. First song and producer. Well, Juvenile Production, otherwise known as J-Nile. From there, me, Chino, Big Ship, you understand? First single is She A Play Hard, Tough Chin Records. Community where I'm from, Greater Portmore, 6 West. The artists that influence me is Wayne Marshall, Sean Paul, Vibes Cartel, and Berry Salmon. Producers that I've been working with, Shaquille from Walkway 30, Juvenile Production, J-Nile, Marlon, Big Yard, Kali, that I want to achieve. Greatness, you understand? Game changer. Younger generation, put out some proper music that people can listen to. Current single out, Get a Struggle. Coming soon, Big Dreams. Producer, Voga. Understand? Yes, from now, game changer, man. Check our name all about the place. You know what I mean? Being on tour. Yeah, man. Help people in the community.
That was Portmore-based artist Trekar. Now let's check out this week's new music video, and it's Venting by Riki. So watch it.
I ain't got no time for this. I ain't got no time for this. I ain't got no time for this. But I got some time for my baby. Soon we cop and our whips racing on the highway. Only you can handle this, but still you can't take me. I'm a wild artist, and I love that simple. But I can't take this. It's about time I go get paid. Third world country, born and raised. Think I'm bougie, but I know about the streets. Time and time again, I lose my faith. Cause disrespect or something in a tech lightly. I know they said they did, but they don't really with me. Don't underestimate or even take me lightly. Cause from a stepping out the place, them take me just a pretty face. But me no offer navigate, me no offer situate. Plus me walk like a champion, talk like a champion. Them not fi say nothing cause me know where me get it from. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. Make it so easy to finesse. Cause I'm bout the grind, I'm bout the grind, I'm bout the grind like all the time. You know I'm bout the grind, I'm bout the grind, I'm bout the grind like all. Would be nice to have fans like Beyonce, cause I look good enough to be a entree. But I'm a little awkward like Andre. You know I always been a lover like Sade.
We're all passionate about something. Work, play. Your body needs nutrition to fuel your passion. When was the last time you had 3 square meals a day? So when you're far away from food, you can nutrify yourself. When you don't have time for lunch, nutrify yourself.
Packed with 14 grams of protein, fiber, over 20 vitamins and minerals, and costs about 75% less than leading meal replacement drinks. It's non-stop nutrition for your non-stop life.
Lasco continues to reduce the cost of living.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Wray and Nephew, our spirit.